There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword del. In the vast landscape of Python, where data structures come and go, there's a powerful keyword that handles removal with precision: del. Join us as we delve into the del keyword, a tool for managing memory and shaping data structures. The del keyword in Python is used for deletion. It can remove individual items, slices from a list, or entire variables, effectively erasing them from the namespace. It's Python's way of saying, this we no longer need. Why del? Its main purpose is to free up space and keep data structures relevant. By removing elements or variables that are no longer needed, del helps in optimizing memory usage and ensuring that your data structures are tidy and efficient. You'll find del invaluable when managing large data sets, preparing data for analysis, or when you need to explicitly control the scope and lifetime of a variable. It's about maintaining cleanliness and precision in your code's environment. Let's see del in action. In this example, we started with a list of fruits. Using del, we removed banana by specifying its index. Then, we completely deleted the fruits list, freeing up the space it occupied. Attempting to access it afterwards would result in an error, as fruits no longer exists. Mastering del equips you with the ability to refine and control your data structures with precision. Remember, efficient data management is key to writing clean, effective Python code. Continue your journey through Python's features and enhance your coding toolkit. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe